Hello, my name is Saksham. I'm Equity Finance intern at inSAKE Academy. Today my video representation topic is the impact of regulatory changes on equity research. So regulatory changes can have a significant impact on equity research, affecting how analysts conduct their researches, the information they can access to, or the recommendation they provide to their investors. So now I will elucidate the key factors in which the regulatory changes will affect the equity research. So starting with information access and disclosure requirements. So any changes in the regulatory changes will have the impact on disclosure requirements on companies, the information available to the investors. So this will lead to more comprehensive and standardized reporting, which can enhance the quality and quality of reports. So next point is research coverage and the scope. So any regulatory changes can influence the focus and regulatory requirements. So for example, any changes in the industry regulations or the reporting standard which will result to investors or the researchers shift to any specific industry or where the opportunities or risk arises. For example, I'll explain with example. So the budget 2023, our finance minister Sitaraman have introduced new slab rate. So the slab rate was 5 lakhs, which was increased to 7 lakhs. So it was concluded that insurance companies will have the effect on it because the investors used to buy policies to save their taxes. So as the tax slab has increased by 2 lakhs, so they will not buy these policies. So like this, the insurance companies had like 10% drawdown on this day, and resulting they also have pressure on the life insurance companies. So next point I'll explain about the impact on financial model. So any regulatory changes or the accounting standards or regulatory requirement will can influence the on financial models used by analysts because so there will be new necessary adjustment required by the analysts in their depreciation methods or any accounting standards in their valuation method. So like that. So next my point is investors protection and disclosure. So some regulatory changes may aim to improve the investors protection by ensuring that research reports should be accurate, transparent and unbiased. So this practice will become more vigorous for providing research reports, and this will increase the investors trust. So last point I will explain about the global impact. So in globalized financial market, any changes in regulatory will have in one jurisdiction will have the ripple effect in the other globally research providers. So the research report providers have to adapt in their research methodologies and have to comply with the multi-framework policies. So like this. So to recapitulate, I will say that regulatory changes have both positive and negative impacts. So on the one side, the positive is that the investors' trust will increase, and on the other side, they will burden to comply with the regulatory changes by the research providers. So both investors and research providers has to stay abreast of the any regulatory development, so which might affect their any decision making or investment decision making or strategies building. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much.